What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Leveraging Real Estate for Freedom. Today we're discussing another project of ours that is on Mendocino Boulevard. We're actually a couple now, which is very exciting. On the same block, we have a couple different projects, right? For this particular project, we purchased it at the end of 2021. The purchase price is $415,000, right? And right now, we're in process of getting ADUs permitted, and we're looking to develop and build anywhere from 4 to 6 units, all right? So it depends on if the city and county kicks back our plans, have different comments, we'll figure out exactly how many we can build and or convert, all right? This project might take anywhere from 6 months to a year and a half, maybe 2 years, based on how many units that we have to build. So it's a little bit longer because we're, converting and building more units on top of this property. However, it's the same concept, right? We're either converting something or building something from ground up. Basically, we're adding value to the property so that we can do a cash out refi at the end, pull out majority of our money, maybe even more, and invest in more properties. Stay tuned and follow our progress as we progress and start converting some of these units and building new units in the back. We'll of course make update videos, but stay tuned and follow us on the social media accounts. Make sure you subscribe and click that notification button. It is a free game. Why not, right? Today we're looking at this duplex behind me. Well, it's front house and this is a back house. We just acquired this property for $455,000. And we want to do a walkthrough and kind of share with you guys what our plans are for this particular property, but let's go take a look. This property is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom. It's actually very, very weird. Okay, come with me, I'll show you what I'm talking about. So you're standing in the living room, right where you are. And apparently this is a part of the living room or dining room, I don't know what it is. And then here's a kitchen, okay? And here, look, 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom. One bathroom is shared for this entire house. Now, look here. Got the bathroom. However, what's connected to the bathroom? A closet. Look at this. So I'm gonna go use the restroom and I come out into my closet. Bless you. And I'm walking to my master's. It's the weirdest layout. Like, you don't see this anywhere. So we're gonna make it work now. Take a look at this. So this is the back unit. Now, if you notice, there was a little alleyway already built kind of leading back here, and it has its own space. And behind this fence, there's actually an alleyway. So which means that there's potential for this unit to have its own access. And what we're planning on doing right now, because since we already purchased property, I've already sent this to my engineers and project managers, and we have decided that we're going to add an addition to each unit, okay? And what an addition is essentially it's an extension of the pre-existing unit. So it will be attached and it will be extended. Does that make sense? So either we're going to add another, 2 or 3 bedrooms. That just depends on coding. That depends on code and what we can do. And then we're also going to add onto the front house as well, another 2 to 3 bedrooms. And once we're done with that, we also plan to subdivide this units. So there's multiple phases for this project, right? Number 1, permitting for the additions. Number 2, build out for the additions. And then once all of that is complete, number 3, we're going to do subdivision. And then we're going to exit, either cash out refi, or we're going to sell the separate units then to individual investors. But this unit specifically doesn't have AC. It's a little bit like, It's not in the best condition, but it's good enough for us to kind of rent it out and get market rent for it. So I don't think I'm going to touch it. I'm not sure how long the permitting process will take. It might take you know, 3 months, 4 months, depends on how fast they work. And I'm hoping that we can actually get the entire addition and the build done within a year and a half, something like that. But anyways, take a look. And thank you guys for watching. Again, these aren't the most beautiful real estate. However, projects like this are cash cows, all right? You can't just judge a book by its cover. And even though it is quite ugly, there's still a lot of potential. But anyways, hey, make sure you follow us on different social media platforms, subscribe to our channel, and make sure you turn on the notification button.